Hello friends, welcome. Now in this lecture, we'll be understanding what is bank reconciliation and how we can post the entries of bank in the tally. So first of all, what is bank reconciliation? See, bank reconciliation is a process in which we match the books of our company prepared in tally by us or prepared manually in the books with the bank statement, that is the external source. So when we match the books of our accounts prepared by us and the books that bank has maintained for us, there is a difference calculated between the bank books and the account books of our company. So before for these transactions, we match them and reconcile the transactions that are not matching or verifying each other. The differences may be for the reasons like the bank has deducted some of the bank charges related to DD, your issue of check, your commission charges, and so on. And these type of charges, the bank doesn't intimate us by sending some message or by sending a different statement or intimation that the bank is deducting some of the charges for the services that bank is providing. So when we print the bank statement, then we got to know about some of the charges that bank has deducted during the year. So we have to make a reconciliation statement for these for these differences. So now, what is bank reconciliation statement? See, this is a statement of a summary of banking and business activity that reconciles the bank account and its financial records. If I say this statement in accounting terms, then this will be your definition. Now, the statement outlines the deposits, withdrawals, and other activities that are affecting a bank statement for that specific period that you are printing the statement. So, I'm showing you one statement over here, and in this, we have to prepare opening reconciliation balance for our bank account from this statement. So, if you see this statement here, this is the ledger that we have prepared for Samiksha Traders for the financial year 1st April 2019 till 31st March 2020. So in this, you can see as on 31st March 2020, now in the ledger of HDFC Bank or in the books of Samiksha Traders for the financial year 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020, we have some balances in our books of accounts. That is, we have received a check of rupees 10,000 from Kingsway Hotel and we had deposited the same check in HDFC account. So this entry, as you know, if you deposit some check, then it takes around 1 or 2 days or more than that sometimes to clear the transaction or to clear the check. So this entry that I am posting in my books today as on 31st March 2020 will not reflect the same day in the bank books. This will reflect in the bank books when the check gets cleared. So due to this, on 31st March, there will be a mismatch between my books of accounts and the bank statement. Now the another transaction here is as on 31st March, we had issued a check to BSES against electricity expenses for 2000 rupees. Now I have issued the check on 31st March, but today I am issuing the check. Maybe the next day the receiver of the check will deposit in his banks of accounts, and after 2-3 days it will get cleared. So due to this also the mismatch occurs, and to reconcile or to take over these entries for the year ending as on 31st March 2020, we take these balances to the next year in the books of accounts for the financial period that 1st April 2020 till 31st March 2021. So what we have to do, we have to prepare an opening BRS for our unreconciled transactions of last year. In the next lecture, we'll be viewing how to prepare this opening bank reconciliation statement.